Hi everyone, let's start a new software that is Power BI. And Power BI, first of all, we would understand why we are using Power BI, what is the utility of Power BI, why industry has shifting to Power BI. So basically, Power BI is a collection of software, services, apps, and connectors that work together to turn your unrelated sources of data into coherent, visually immersive, and interactive insights. Let's say one person who is running Power BI mobile, one is on desktop, one is on services. So, in all these things, we can club, let's say, manager who would like to see all this data, what individual person they have. So, he can see this data together. So, your data might be an Excel spreadsheet or a collection of cloud-based or we can say an on-premises hybrid data warehouses. So Power BI here is lets you easily connect to your data sources, visualize and discover what's important with anyone. This one is the anyone you want or everyone you want. There are three parts of Power BI. First, we will understand these three parts of Power BI. So Power BI consists of several elements that all work together starting with these three basics. First one is I had already highlighted. Let me take my pen. This is Power BI desktop. Next is Power BI service. Another one is Power BI mobile apps for Windows, iOS and Android services. So basically, these three elements, Power BI desktop, the service, and the mobile apps, are designed to let you create, share, and consume business insights in the way that serves you and your role most effectively. But there are some other elements also. So beyond these three elements, Power BI also features two other elements. One is Power BI Report Builder, that is for creating. Here is paginated reports to share in the Power BI service. And second one is Power BI Report Server, an on-premises report server where you can publish your Power BI reports after creating them in Power BI desktop. So first of all, we would understand in this video how we can install Power BI desktop. So first of all, what we have to do here is we will type in Google. This one is Microsoft.com Power BI downloads. When we will type this, I'm just showing you Microsoft Power BI download. And here is that is the first icon is here downloads Power BI Microsoft. We will click here. That is the first link. And moment you will click on this, now you can see download Power BI tools and apps, right? Here is a complete description of Power BI. Let me overview what is Power BI. When you are going to click here, you can see what is Power BI. Everything is well defined. And here is why Power BI, custom stories, data visuals, securities take a guide tool. You can go through this. When you are going to products, here is Power BI Desktop, Power BI Pro, Power BI Premium, Power BI Mobile, Embedded, and Report Server. I was talking about in my slides. Pricing. All these things you can see. This one is Power BI Microsoft Fabric free account, but there is Power BI Pro $10 per month, $20 per user. Power BI Premium. You can say right, and you can purchase it. And this one is Microsoft Fabric. You can see what is the total charges and all. You can find out here. So now how we are going to download? Let's say I'm going down. You can see because I need Power BI desktop. So Power BI desktop download free. I will click here, download free. And here is see download on language options also. You will click here. And here is I had selected English language, then I will download. And here is you can say two kinds of .exe files. This is 32-bit and this is for 64 because my laptop is supporting 64-bit. So here is I will click here and I will download. If your laptop is 32, you should not click here. You have to click here. You will select this one. And after that, you will download. A moment you will start downloading this Power BI, you can see in my download section, it's downloading. And because I had already downloaded, and you can see I have already installed also. I'm just showing you this would be the Power BI interface. And after that, what you have to do, you can just press next, next, next. And meanwhile, I'm just showing you. And then we will start analysis through this Power BI visualization. You can see, and it's a beautiful software. I could say personally, I like it. This software at all very much, and because maximum industries they want this Power BI, and they are people are giving training to industry people. They should be trained with Power BI if they are not trained. But they prefer you have to work on Power BI. So everybody, this is the today's demand. Power BI, everybody should know Power BI. So let me just see where is whether it is installed. Yes, it's there. So I will just click here in my download section. Now you can see, because I have already, because that is already open, so that is showing retry, and I'm just ignoring this. Now you can see, right, finish this. Next, next, next. After that, you can finish this. So Power BI would be installed in your system, and this would be like you can see this would be the interface when you are going to open. So how you are working with Excel workbook, etc. So I will discuss in my how we can import data and all these things we will discuss in the next video. I hope this video would be would be insightful to you. And you, meanwhile, you have to download Power BI, and simultaneously you can run your data with me. Thank you. Keep watching.